Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm going to show you how I transformed these two Dollar Tree signs. My first project is I am going to be painting this, and I'm going to be making a cute little tic-tac-toe pattern on it. So I'm using the Waverly white chalk paint, and it's bless your heart on one side so you can still use that, but we're going to turn it around. We're going to make it serve a dual purpose. Okay, now that it's dry, I laid out with a pencil my grid for the tic-tac-toe, and I'm going to use a black Sharpie, and I'm going to use these stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to lay out a cute pattern. And you can see I painted the edges black and around the very rim because I wanted it to make the white stand out. And I drew with pencil the pattern. I'm just going to go over that with the Sharpie marker. So first I'm going to place my stickers. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Sharpie marker, and I'm going to make my X's. And I'm going to go over them and thicken them a little bit more so they stand out. And you can see how cute that came out. So now I'm using my cardboard, and I'm going to just use that to make my lines. And look at how cute that came out. So double-sided, you know, depending on your mood, you can turn it over one way, bless your heart, or you can turn it over the other way for tic-tac-toe. Okay, now I'm going to use that same box. I had bought two of them at the Dollar Tree, and this is going to be my second project. And I'm just going to fill the box with silk roses. And I forgot to take the picture of the one that I finished, but this is another one that I made. Look at how adorable this came out. This one I did with pink and red roses. but isn't that adorable? So these are just two cute ways to use the little Dollar Tree signs. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, your home should be a beautiful reflection of you and your family. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you continue to watch my Valentine's series. I will add it at the end of this video to the playlist. And I completed a Valentine's tablescape collaboration with Jody over at Southern Seasons. And I also participated in a Valentine home tour with Davita Lane, and I will also include those in the link at the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you'll consider. I like to do all kinds of things: decorating, DIY, cooking, and crafting. Have a blessed day, and I hope you'll come back and join me again.